Advent calendar day number 16.
16.
Yeah, 16. So, this one has been something that you've been nagging for a long time. Not nagging, but you need this. But it can benefit us both. So.
I know exactly what it can be.
That's me.
Spice up the room, ne?
No, Gareth, this is not that kind of channel.
Oh, whoops. That's for your other channel, isn't it?
Gareth. For the first time in history, I've got something for my eyes. It's actually quite nice. That's really glittery.
Oh my goodness, did you actually buy me a new one?
Yes.
I lost mine like a month ago.
So yeah, that's to measure your lies.
My lies?
Yes. So lies of, dis my laaste dop.
Dit is ook tomaatslosser. Sorry julle.
The lies of, skat, ons gaan nou braai. Maar dan is die vleis nog in die diepvries.
Wat se vleis? Ooh, is this more food?
Yeah.
Oh, ja! Dis my Vrydag snack. Oh,
yeah, I need to show you guys. That's quite glittery.
whoops. My Vrydag snackie. Ek gaan van kuier Vrydag in die stad, so nou het ek 'n snackie. Dankie babe.
Okay, come back for day 17. Okay, bye.
Bye.